Ligo. So we decided yesterday ng hapon na i-cancel na ito. And immediately, the Secretariat sent notices to all the resource persons, to all the invited guests, and ati pong mga members. No? Wala hong confirmation na may pupunta si dating Pangulong Duterte. Wala hong ganong information. In fact, nalaman lamang namin na pupunta siya, no, dahil nga marami daw kumakalat sa social media. But we already canceled. We sent out notices of cancellation kahapon pa ho. So ang confirmation nila came after we already canceled. So, sa susunod, huwag nyo na i-cancel. November 21 po ang aming next invitation. And if you wish to attend, we will appreciate. If you do not, then please let us know ahead of time.
Sir, just another follow-up. Usually po ba gaano katagal yung response time ng mga resource persons? For example, if you sent out the invitation last, kunyari, Monday, how long do resource persons reply?
Depende sa ano. Yung iba, immediately, they reply, no? Meron na kaagad mga receipt, no? Yung mga notices, no? Meaning, they acknowledge that they already received the cancellation notice. Yung iba naman, it takes a while, no? Minsan, 2 hours, 3 hours. Minsan nga, hanggang kagabi, meron pa nagpadala ng notice at 10:35 p.m. Formal notice of cancellation was sent to Attorney Delgra at 9:23 p.m. And an email also was sent to him at 10:35 p.m. So, sumagot lang siya this morning at 7:14 a.m. this morning. So, you know, we already advised them, but basta ang aming objective ay ma-advise sila prior to the date, the scheduled date of the committee hearing so that hindi na rin po sila maabala. Wala, it was just a acknowledgement receipt of the cancellation. Yun lang ang ano. So meaning, they knew already na canceled na yun kagabi pa, no? Because it was already sent eh. So, yun ang ano eh, yun ang ngayon lang namin nalaman na meron palang interest to attend ang ating dating Pangulo sa Wednesday where we have already canceled nung Monday.
Okay ka na, Gab? Thank you. Are there any other related questions
Sir,
on
sorry.
Quadcom?
Hindi po ba masyadong late yung Monday night na finals or Monday afternoon na finalize tapos Tuesday, Wednesday po morning yung mismong hearing? Kung kunyari nakauwi na po or lipad kumbaga from other provinces yung mga resource persons.
Hindi, kaya nga we made it a point that yesterday masabihan na kagad namin sila, no? Because 2 days prior notice, I think is enough time for them to decide on whether to go or not to go. So when we sent the cancellation notice, we knew that they all received it, they acknowledged it, at wala naman nagsabing pupunta sila. Kasi rather than ituloy natin ng Wednesday ang hearing at hindi pa ready yung aming mga witnesses, no? Sayang ho yung araw. Remember, we're also pressed for time here. Gusto namin that when we present witnesses, we discuss issues. Kailangan hindi na po magtagal. Gusto namin matapos agad. Nang sa ganun, makagawa na ho kami ng aming committee report.
Sir, clarify lang. So kung may nag-respond po sa inyo yesterday afternoon na nung sinabi niyo yung notice na i-cancel po and may nagsabi na may a-attend, particularly Digong, itutuloy niyo po ba?
Ay, hindi na. Cancel na namin eh. So, we're not going to adjust our schedule, our scheduled hearing for somebody, no? Yung amin ay we wanted to make sure na ang tatalakayin ng Quadcom dahil marami po tayong mga kababayan na nanunood ay hindi po sila they will not feel shortchanged. I don't know how to say that, but hindi po sila magkakaroon ng pakiramdam na parang nabudol sila. Wala akong pambubudol sa Quadcom. Dahil yung amin po, para mailabas yung katotohanan, kailangan pulido ang aming mga testimonya ng aming mga witnesses.
Thank you. Your question is still related to Quadcom? Okay, go ahead.
Sir, so ngayon po kung fact of the matter is that nakakapagtaka para sa inyo na after ng ilan na imbitasyon sa dating Pangulo na handang tanggapin siya ng komite, ngayon kung kailan malino na kanselado sa panig nila, ngayon sila biglang maglalabas ng ugong na a-attend sila, sir.
Yun, nagulat kami, no? The fact that we only found out from the social media na meron palang a-attend at nag-confirm ang ating dating, although hindi po ito galing sa dating Pangulo. Ito po'y galing sa mga vloggers. I don't know, sino pa papaniwalaan? Ang alam ko, as far as the records of the Quad Committee is concerned, the counsel, the lawyer representing the former president is Attorney Delgra. In fact, naging issue pa nga yan eh. Di ba? Meron bang engagement, meron bang letter, etc., etc. So, we only listen, no? Dun sa formally has entered their appearance before the Quadcom or those that are representing our resource persons and has informed the committee, although has not physically entered this appearance yet, no? Kaya nga, kagaya nga yung kay Attorney Delgra, yun ang iniintay namin. But, marami pa hong hearing ito and we will expect that the former president will still attend. No? Kasi po, ito yung request ng ating mga kasamahan sa Quadcom. So, hindi ho ito yung una't huli. Panglimang imbitasyon o mahigit panglimang imbitasyon na ito na hindi po nakadalo ang ating dating Pangulo. Ngayon ho, na na-cancel, ngayon po, mahirap pong dumalo dahil na-cancel. But we only got the confirmation from the social media.
So kung ngayon na may nangyaring ganito, kung sa susunod na pagdinig ay hindi magpakita ang dating Pangulo, what will how will the committee treat it?
I really don't know. Kasi ngayon, mahaba-haba yung oras na pwedeng mag-decide, no, ang ating dating Pangulo. No? May nakita nga akong na isang post sa social media na sa November 21 daw ay hindi daw pwede. Ano ba yung totoo niyan, di ba? I mean, basta we will send out invitations, the schedule of the Quadcom, based on our rules, based on our collective decision, we will set our hearing. And when we set our hearing, we expect that pursuant to the rules of the Quad Committee, we will send out invitations prior to the scheduled date of the committee hearing para inform po lahat ng aming resource persons na iimbitahan.
Saka, bakit sa social media namin kukunin yung confirmation, di ba? I mean, kami naman, sumusulat naman kami officially. Hindi namin inaano sa social media na, iniimbitahan namin si dating Pangulo, di ba? I mean, it's a personal letter to him, no? Ng Quadcom. So, ine-expect din po namin na yung lawyer niya, tatawagan din kami, sabihin sa amin kung makaka-attend o hindi. In fact, nung nabasa ko yung reason kung bakit hindi makaka-attend ng Pangulo, yung last invitation namin, akala ko talaga hindi na siya mag-attend sapagkat sinabi niya ron sa mga reason niya na hindi siya naniniwala ron sa aming investigasyon. Pangalawa,